Question 36. A researcher is interested in estimating the proportions of voters who favor a tax on e-commerce. Based on a sample of 250 people, she obtains the following 99% confidence interval for the population proportion: 0.113 less than p less than 0.171. Which of the following statements below is a valid interpretation of this confidence interval? Okay, well, we are always trying to estimate for the population parameters, okay? So if we kind of scroll through these, the A is talking about true value of P, which is a population parameter for proportion, so that could be 1. That could be the answer. B is talking about the true value of P, which is the population parameter for proportion. Okay, it could be B. C, if many different sample size 250 were selected and based on each sample, a confidence interval were constructed. In the long run, 99% of the confidence intervals would contain between those two numbers. Now, there's absolutely no mention of P or even P hat here, so C can't be it. D, we are 99% confident that the true value of P hat lies between those two numbers. Okay, no, we're not trying to estimate P hat because that is a number from a sample. So that is statistics with an S there. So D is not it and C is not it. So we need to pick between A and B. Okay, B, if many different samples of size 250 were selected and based on each sample, a confidence interval were constructed. 99% of the time the true value of P would lie between those two numbers. Okay, no, we're not trying to say some will fall in and some will fall out. That's not what we're trying to say when we are constructing these confidence intervals. What we're saying is we would be 99% confident based on the interval that we have that the value of P will lie between those two numbers that we generated and made when we got that confidence interval. Okay, so A says we are 99% confident that the true value of P lies between those two numbers. Okay, that would be the correct interpretation of your confidence interval here.